Hello, Jason here from septictank.co.uk and welcome to another live broadcast. Now, I'm going to deal with a revolutionary new product today, a new topic. So, it's entitled, let me get this up, where are we? Here we go. Alright, so we're talking about today non-electric sewage treatment plants. So why are these so revolutionary? Well, because, let me show you something now. Alright, let me show you this. Now, if we go to Google, right, and I type in domestic sewage treatment plant, and you go onto Google and you'll just see hundreds and hundreds and thousands of different domestic sewage treatment plants. Now, many of these are very, very good. So don't get me wrong, right? These are brilliant, but they've got one common denominator, right? They all run on electricity. They all have some kind of motors or compressors inside them. They all cost, they generate electricity bills to run, they break down and they need repairing, right? So there's hundreds of different ones to choose from, you know, and 99%, as I said, of sewage treatment plants on the market are electric. Now, so why am I showing you this? Well, because the other day, let me just turn this picture off here. The other day I found something revolutionary that is completely different to an electric treatment plant. I found a non-electric sewage treatment plant. Have a look at this, right? Have a look at this. This is nuts, right? All right, so this is what I found the other day. I found this thing called the ecosystem. Now, this is one of the world's first non-electric sewage treatment plant. I just wanted to share this amazing revelation, this thing I found with you today. So there it is. It's called the ecosystem, right? And it's made in Germany, right? What's amazing about it, it's made in Germany. And these systems are absolutely unbelievable. They've got no electricity. There's no electricity. They make no noise. There's don't break down, and there's no bills with them. They're kind of 100% organic, and you can watch a video on it there. I mean, there's a video of it which shows what they look like. But these systems, just going down here, they work on venturi suction. So the lid sucks in. It's like an organic lung, right? The lid there, right? The circles, the holes in the lid suck in oxygen. And then the oxygen filters through those kind of biomat layers in there, and the bacteria and the enzymes break down, right, and convert sewage, right, into almost pure water. I've never seen anything like this before in my life. They're absolutely amazing. They're one of the this system was created by German scientists, right, and it's got one of the highest certifications in Europe. And they say here in the advert, 99% of treatment plants run on electricity, cogs, bearings, motors, shafts, switches and compressors. 99% of them break down, need repairing and servicing, and it's true, they do over time, right? But what's different about the ecosystem is that there's no running costs, right? There's no servicing and there's no repair costs. And if that wasn't enough, right, when I went further down the page, right, this non-electric system can discharge directly into the soil, into rivers, into streams, into special protection zones, SPZ zones. And yeah, it's just absolutely nuts. And this is just what I wanted to share with you. So if you're looking, right, if you're looking or you know, for a domestic sewage treatment plant at the moment, I seriously recommend you have a look at this, right? Now, so that's apparently, so it's one complete system, And you get two tanks. You get the baffle tank, which all the poo and the wee and all the debris go into, and then you've got this bioreactor, and the two of them are like complement each other. And it's got the dimensions there. They even offer a money back guarantee, which is nuts, isn't it? And so there's the 6 person there, and this is the most amazing thing, which is what I wanted to share with you, right? I love sharing new gadgets and technology and stuff with people. But now, these systems are normally £1 shy of £11,000, right? This is, I suppose, what you would call the Bentley or Rolls-Royce of treatment plants, right? They're normally 10 grand, but because of the COVID-19 business going around at the moment, they've been dropped in half price. They're less than half price. They're like $4,999. And I just had to share that with you because I've never seen anything quite like this before. Absolutely nuts. So that's the ecosystem. And that's what it looks like, and that's what it does. And yeah, so I just wanted to share that amazing revelation with you. And another thing I wanted to show you was how easy these things are to install. So if I just get this up for a minute. Right, so now I'm going to show you now how to install this. I've installed, right, over the years, I've installed hundreds and hundreds of sewage treatment plants over the years. And with an electric one, you've got to put it in, you've got to get an electrician in, and he's got to wire it up, and then da-de-da-de-dum-de-dum. Now, I'm not demonizing electric treatment plants. There's a lot of beautiful ones out there, but these non-electric ones are the future, right? So yes, you can call me slightly biased in this regard, but I just wanted to show you how easy they are to install, right? Have a look at this, right? Let me just go to here. Okay, so I'm going to show you now how easy these are to install. Literally, you dig a hole. Okay, this hole will take you about 40 minutes, something like that, to dig, right? Then the first thing you do is put the first tank in. Now that's the bioreactor. No, that's the holding tank, sorry. All the poo in the way and everything goes into there. You then put the second tank in. Now that's the bioreactor, right? That bioreactor tank is the one in which converts your sewage into almost clean pure water, right? Then you just connect the two with an orange pipe there, and get this now, this is nuts, right? You dig another hole, if I can find where the hole is on my thing here. Hold on, just bear with me. There you go. So you dig another hole, right? And then turning this around like so, you see you've got a little blue pipe there. See that little blue pipe? Well, that's the outlet pipe. So it all works by gravity, this. And so you just put your soakaway pipe to there, and that's it. That is how easy these tanks are to install. And how it works is the water, the poo and the wee go into the first tank. The liquid then goes into the second tank, and then, let me just show you this. The liquid then just drains away into the soakaway pit. And then from there, right? And then from there, let me just bring this down here for you. And then once it's gone in there, it just drains away into the soil. And so this soakaway pit, what you'd have in there, you'd have some shingle in there. Once you've done it, you'd have some shingle in there. And obviously the water, you know, if you took the shingle away, the water just goes through the shingle. And that's it. So that is basically what it looks like. And so then when you've done that, you just cover everything over with soil. Let me see if I can cover it with soil. And so there you go. It looks something like that. Obviously, it's a cross section in there. But I just wanted to show you how easy it was, you know, to install these incredible non-electric sewage systems. So that is what I wanted to share with you today. So as I said, I'm not demonizing electric treatment plants, not at all. All I'm trying to show you is that non-electric sewage treatment plants, personally, I think are the future. Just like Tesla and his electric cars are really gaining momentum now. I think personally, right, that non-electric sewage treatment plants are the future. Why? Because there's no bills, there's no running costs, and they don't break down. So so there you go. So the tank itself, it's called an ecosystem, non-electric sewage treatment plant. So I thought I'd share that with you today, that amazing revelation. And let me just turn that off. Oh, 2 secs. There we go, turn that off. Oh, it's come back on again, get off. Yeah, all right. Technology was never my forte. But anyway, listen, I thought I'd share that point with you because look, as Tesco says, every little helps. So you imagine you've got to treat with an electric treatment plant. They cost anywhere from 500 to 1,000 quid a year to run. In electricity costs, you've got to spend about 350 quid a year flipping servicing the thing. Then 2-3 years time they break. They only come with a year's warranty, and basically you've got to pay out like 1,000 quid a year to run the things. And for me, that doesn't make any sense, to be honest. I mean, a treatment, all right, let's say you have to pay 500 quid or 1,000 or 1,000 quid more for the non-electric system. It's paid for itself in its first year. So instead of having to pay 5 grand over 10 years to run your electric treatment plant or 10 grand over 10 years, these non-electric sewage treatment plants don't cost anything to run. So that's what I wanted to share with you today. So there you go. So listen, thank you very much for taking the time to watch this live broadcast today. If you'd like more free help and advice, then just go to septictank.co.uk. You'll see loads of free videos there giving free help and advice, whatever septic tank you want to choose. Maybe you've got a septic tank problem. If you would like to see more of me and more of these videos, then just go onto Google and type in Septic Tank TV. You'll see the only Septic Tank TV channel in the world. And again, there's loads of videos offering free help and advice like this one. So listen, thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. You take care, and I'll speak to you soon. For more information, just click the link below this video or visit septictank.co.uk for free help and advice.